Hello, my cuties. How are you doing today? I hope you're having fun and enjoying all the rhymes. Are you enjoying? I'm enjoying the rhymes very much. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And our today's rhyme is very special. It's about golden words. Now, you must be thinking, what are golden words? What we will learn in today's rhyme? So, let's quickly start our today's class and let's learn the golden words. Okay, these are golden words that we are going to learn today. Are you all excited? Chali, let's start the rhyme. So, golden words are when we greet someone, okay? When we greet someone and everyone we are greeting to, they feel good. जिन्हें हम greet करते हैं उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है? तो there are the golden words. और वो कौन सी words है? चलिए learn करते हैं. Say good morning when it's light. Say good morning when it's light. So when the sun shines and we wake up in the morning, what we say? We say good morning. We say good morning. We say good morning, Mama. Good morning, Papa. Like this we greet them, right? So this is one golden word, okay? Say good morning when it's light, okay? Then say good day when it's bright. When the sun is on the top of our head, when it's bright so much, what do we say? We say good day, like good afternoon, right? We say good day, okay? So say good day when it's bright, alright? It's good evening when the sun glides. It's good evening when the sun glides. So when the sun is about to set in the west, we say good evening. In the evening, when we go for play, so what do we say? We say good evening, okay? So it's good evening when the sun glides, and say good night when the sun hides. And when the sun hides, what comes? Moon comes, right? You see moon in the night only. So when the sun hides, we should say good night and we should sleep on our bed, okay? So say good night when the sun hides, okay? So these are some golden words that we have learned today. Good morning, good day, good evening and good night. So let's recall this rhyme once again. And everyone will sing with ma'am. Chaliye. Say good morning when it's light. Say good day when it's bright. It's a good evening when the sun glides. And say good night when the sun hides. Okay? Okay. So these are some golden words that we will keep in mind and then we will say to everyone regularly. We should say these golden words to everyone, to our friends, to our teachers and to elders. Okay? Don't forget these golden words and I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.